This video will show you how to align the laser of an FS5 spectrofluorometer. First, plug an Edinburgh Instruments EPL laser into the FS5 as shown. Open the laser mount as shown and place the EPL inside. Ensure it is straight and not at an angle. Then, close the mount and tighten the bolt with an Allen key to lock the EPL in place. Next, push the intensity filter into the beam path and turn it all the way down to reduce the laser intensity. Open the cassette lid and place the interlock override. You can also use a small magnet as shown. Please be cautious, this will override the interlock and the laser will enter the sample chamber when the cassette lid is open. Next, inside of the cassette, place the beam dump in the rear right corner to protect the transmission detector. To power the laser, turn the laser key on. When the laser ready LED lights, press the red on button. All LEDs should be lit. In Optical software, open the signal rate window and select TC-SPC diode from the light paths. Set the bandwidth to 0 to block the intense laser from reaching the detector. Then, slowly increase the intensity filter to allow the laser through. Check the alignment of the beam as shown. It should pass centrally through the sample holder in a straight line and reach the beam dump. If the beam is not well aligned, the internal mirrors must be adjusted. To access these, please see the service video on how to remove the outer white cover of the system. Then, once the system is uncovered, unscrew the access lid. Adjust the internal mirrors to align the beam as shown. When the laser beam is aligned, open the signal rate window in Optical software. Switch between the xenon lamp source and the TC-SPC diode light path several times and ensure the laser beam remains aligned. Then, close the access lid and recover the system. The laser is now aligned.